This is a 1-minute Final Cut tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to use the blade tool. If you're familiar with Adobe products, the razor tool. So let's jump in. The blade tool is what you use to cut clips or clips and audio into two. So let's say this catch of Odell Beckham, we want to cut it at a point when it switches angles to another catch. So let's say we want to blade it right here. So without the keyboard shortcuts, the first way is you go up to trim right here, and then you just click blade. And so see how that cuts the clip in two, but notice it didn't cut the audio. So let's say we want to go instead cut everything, and then instead you're going to go to blade all. And so that will blade the clip and the audio, cuts it in two and joins this with the audio. Now let's see how to do that with the keyboard shortcuts here. So if you don't use the trim and you want to do it faster, the way to cut just this clip, if we want to cut it right there, we're going to go to Command B. Command B, and it cuts it in two, but notice it didn't do the audio. If you want to do the audio, what you're going to do is Command Shift B. And now it cuts the audio and the visual. So that is a quick little tutorial on the blade tool. Like and subscribe for more videos.